Alright, so last week, before news happened, okay, actually I predicted gold will pull back and melt down. As you can see from the photo here, okay, actually I did a screenshot over here. I predicted the price will goes up and goes down, and here is the result. Right? How did I do that? Right. So first I go to high time frame. As you can see from your left side, price is going to make this engulfing sell zone, isn't it? Okay, so next, when price comes into the zone, supposedly we're gonna wait for H1 to form. Alright, your current market price is over here, so we're gonna wait for CMP to form engulfing sell, isn't it? See what happens here. See, there's no chance for you to take the right of this candle. Okay, you will miss a chance over there. So what I do is that I will precise my H4 engulfing sell zone, right, in to H1. As you can see, here is another engulfing sell. Like people said, sell at resistance. Of course you're going to mark, but we engulf trader, of course we mark engulfing sell as our zone 2 and 3, or as a setup. So when price comes in, right, so now remember, initially my setup was in H4, but now my setup is already become H1 setup. So H1 I will go to M15, right? So M15 again, you're gonna focus on your current market price, isn't it? So when price comes in, it forms engulfing sell. So by the theory of structure, price has to pull back by sideways, isn't it? Sideways, breakout over here, engulfing sell. Engulfing sell itself is a breakout. So breakout, price pull back by sideways, and after this candle, after the closure of this candle, I instant entry over there, and that is why price drops. Okay, so that's all. Right, so price drops around 200 pips. Alright, so that's all. Thank you.